this is the Bullet WS6. There's some out there like it, but this one is mine. And we're gonna get back on the road. It's currently down, but with these hands, we're gonna get it back on the road and get back to racing. Come see. In case you haven't noticed, we're now sponsored by Vibrant Performance. Everything on the car is gonna have high quality Vibrant stuff on it now. So, and that means that's gonna keep things from breaking in the future, along with some skills from HL. Like I said before, what we're gonna end up doing is, we got a new radiator. We sold the old one, got a new one. We're gonna push it to the front a little more. And we got 2 cores that are gonna go here and here, and then go into the intake, obviously. So that's the plan. This guy's gonna make it happen, and we're gonna go fast and be cool at the same time, finally. Right?
We'll see.
We'll see, that's true. You guys saw what was going on at HL's. He's busy working. And in the meantime, we're gonna go to the track. And I am with TJ and his ZL1. You guys saw the video, I think it was a couple weeks ago. I posted it, the links right here. And TJ here is gonna get a baseline run on the ZL1. Curious to see what it does. It's completely stock. It's got exhaust, you said?
Corsa exhaust.
Corsa exhaust, so good time to get just a baseline pull on it and find out, you know, how fast it is. I'm sure there's gonna be mods coming up in the future for this thing.
Yeah.
Thing looks like it's ready to party today.
Yeah, maybe.
For you top 10 guys that are out there, number 5 Flash WS6, we're gonna see him run today, see what he's got, see how fast this car really is, and see if he moves up the list today. Let's find out. Got the rat rod, got TJ's ZL1, we got some friends coming as well. But we're out here, gonna see what's up, get everything. It should be a really fun night. Ooh, that's something you don't see every day. That should be fun.
For the Mustang,
there's TJ.
4 at 137.
Let's find out what this thing can do. Stop.
Hellcat.
Just a tap. All right, a little further right there.
89.
found an issue. Andy's rat rod got some sort of voltage issue going on, not exactly sure. But pulled the battery and took it to O'Reilly's so we could swap it out real quick, because it's important that this thing has correct voltage, because the nitrous system highly depends on it. It will not work if there's any kind of voltage issue. So like I said, he went to O'Reilly's real quick to pick it up, put it back in, and we'll get this rat rod going down the track real soon. On the good news, TJ made a pass, ran a 12.7 and 112 I think it was, and just killed it. Not bad for a stock car, leaving off of idle. Drove it here, no problems down the track, 12.7, first pass ever. So he's gonna try to leave a little harder. I think he's gonna put it in sport mode. I'm not sure what mode he had. He had it in sipping tea mode. So we're gonna turn it up and see if he can improve on it. Let's go. All right, here comes Andy's first pass of the night. We'll see if that rear end and that converter made any kind of difference. So let's find it.
Jason's gonna get the win right there. Jesse Garcia. So here we go. This is the final right here.
Alright, so obviously we got some work to do. Unfortunately, Flash did have some CO2 system issues, so he wasn't able to make a good pass. That's why you didn't see him in the vid. So he's got to work that out. We've got a couple of issues with Andy's car that we can't seem to figure out. One of them is the voltage, which is still going on. It's got this nitrous delay. It just, for some reason, doesn't come on until the 60 foot. We've taken all the progressive features out of it, so it should hit right out of the hole, but for some reason it just lags and then comes in after. So that's kind of killing its time at the moment. So we got to figure all that out. Houston Top 10, always a fun event to go to. We're going to continue to go, but Ellis Nationals is 2 weeks away, and we've got that issue. We got to get my car done. We're running out of time. So for now, we got to get to work.